in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey, so I thought I'd join you guys on a little birthday vlog today. It's my birthday vlog, video unboxing, whatever it is. The reason I'm saying this, I thought about this. I'm like, I think it's real cringy to announce your birthday, but there's two reasons. Y'all know we're honest on the channel. The first reason is because I think it'll give us some likes and comments on this video. Thank you in advance. Please do that. But second, I gotta be somewhere in about an hour, so this video might be like really crappily edited. I gotta get this up, and I wanted to talk to you on this day. So appreciate y'all. Thanks. Please thumbs up and comment. Sorry for the editing. Also, man, this video is brought to you by the website they call NameBranFam.com. Boys, we created it. It's our website. Link is down below if you guys want to get jewelry. We got jewelry. It's not real jewelry, and like quality might be like a little bit questionable. Probably shouldn't be saying that in my own sponsorship, but once again, honesty. You guys can get anything free, but not really. All you have to do is pay shipping. That's all I ask. You could actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 order. So go check out NameBranFam.com if you guys want to, man. It gives us money to do videos that it helps a lot with these videos. I'm looking at the lights here, man. It's really annoying me. I got goggle marks, not even sunglasses. Anyway, thanks, NameBran Fan, for sponsoring this video. Alright, man, so let's get into this one. Like I say, I don't have too much time today. I don't want to rush this at all, but I thought this would be the perfect unboxing because it's kind of a smaller one, but we'll get into that in a second. What we're unboxing today, actually, is a package from Icebox. Now, if you guys don't know who Icebox is, we just did actually, last video was on them. We've done a few videos on them. They're a very, very popular jewelry company with rappers and stuff like that. About a week ago, they hit me up on Instagram, and they're like, hey, what's your mailing address? When I read that message, I'm not gonna lie, I was very, very stoned, and and I replied, holy shit. Hi, I'm a big fan. Yeah, talk about keeping it chill, eh? Try to act cool when people hit you up that you dig, but I didn't do that. But anyway, boys, we do have the package right here. Now, it is gonna be shorter, like I say, because they're sending us what they said is a little, like, swag pack, you know what I mean? Like, some of their, like, merchandise that they have. This isn't like a jewelry unboxing or anything like that. I'm not expecting much at all, nor do I expect anything from them. It's really cool that they hit me up. I guess they saw some of the videos I did on them. So I thought we'd just make it for this video when I don't have too much time, and do a full video on this because I think it's so cool. This is, I think, the biggest jewelry company yet, I think by far, that has actually sent us something for free, and just like, I think it's really cool of them to hit me up and be like, hey, well, we want to send you a little something. Whatever it is, it doesn't even matter, but I thought that was really cool. I'm kind of a class act, and I'm really excited to unbox this. So without further ado, we have this mystery, I have no idea what's in it, surprise pack from Icebox, and let's get into this puppy. I think this is sick. I'm very excited. I'm very humbled too that they would actually reach out to me and see my videos. So thank you guys for helping pushing that. This is a cool birthday unboxing. What can I say? It's from Icebox, man. Like, I'm fangirling a little bit. Without further ado, boys, let's use a key real quick to get into this thing, and let's see what we have here. Like I say, it's a quick little video today. Hopefully not too quick, but okay. It comes real nicely packaged. Okay, we see some stuff in here, bro. First off, we got the white and blue tinsel. This is very cool. This is like, I feel like they send this package to people that they like. And the fact that Icebox may or may not like me, that's kind of nice. I'm not a guy that does well with people not liking them. I don't like that. Anyway, first thing we got here is what I think is a cleaning cloth. I think I saw this on their website. If all this is on their website, I think they're, from what I'm looking at right now, I think they're sending me accessories. We're gonna add it up. We're gonna make this video a little fun. Let's see how much Icebox actually digs me is what I'm trying to get at. Let's see how much you guys actually, you know, gave me in terms of value. So, which is ridiculous. I actually don't care about that at all, but I think it'll be fun for the video. So we got the Icebox, yeah, it looks like a dust cloth. I'm actually so stoked for this. I don't have anything. All I use is a shirt, and generally my shirts are awful for that, so very sick. Let's, this is nothing that anyone ever does on their birthday. That's why I think this is hilarious, or at least like when they're getting gifts. But I think if we're gonna have any twist to this video, we gotta search up how much this stuff costs. That's just my humor here. I really don't care whatsoever. Well, let's see though. Icebox polishing, 40 bucks Canadian. Let's go. All right, they already put in 40 bucks on the boy right here. Next, oh gosh, we have a couple. Let's go! No! I shouldn't be this stoked for this, but oh man, okay. All right, next thing I see here, bro, we actually have the Icebox Lanyard. I think a lot of people might think these are kind of lame now. I actually grew up wearing them and I still kind of wear them sometimes. I find outfits that I just like a lanyard, and this blue one right here, like honestly, I'm just like wearing what I'm wearing right now, all black. I think this subtle blue Icebox Lanyard looks kind of sick. And I remember seeing this on their website. That's why I'm so stoked. We're still on it right now. We got a $33 Canadian price tag on that puppy. Honestly, besides Supreme, and I don't know who else has made them, that might be a very hefty price. That might be one of the sickest lanyards we can get. Very sick. Once again, when I'm giving prices here, I really don't care about the price, but we have to have some sort of, you know, goal with this video or some sort of premise. I just think that's fun. Anyway, Icebox Lanyard, thank you guys so much, by the way. This is so cool. Oh, I love this. I love this. And you know what? I might give some stuff away here. We have a couple more things. Oh, okay. Next up, sorry, I'm just pulling out the box on the side here. We have an Icebox pen. Oh, that's sick. One thing about me, this is still sick. I love it. Like I'm a collector, so I definitely gonna add this to some sort of collection, but Icebox pen. One thing about me is I actually, with my shakes, I can't write anymore, which is really pathetic. If you guys wonder why I shake, everyone always asks. I have a YouTube video on it of why I shake, and it's kind of medical reasons and stuff like that. As far as I think, my dad had it, then he had a brain aneurysm and he passed away, and I have it, and I also have one of those things, but it's not as serious, so I don't know if it's to do with that or if it's also just in the family. We're not sure. Probably just in the family. It's nothing really to worry about. But anyway, there's a quick fact that I can't write anymore. Very sick pen. This looks like some sick quality. Next up, quick unboxing. Like I say, I only have a few minutes here, boys. Oh, let's go! Oh, we forgot to check the price of the pen. Do they even have that on their website? This one is $33. That's a $33 pen. Oh, this is cool. Anyway, next up we have an Icebox lighter. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna be using that. I might actually give some of this stuff away. I need to keep this lighter and lanyard because I love that stuff, and the cloth. I'll give away the pen because I can't use it. Leave a comment down below. I'll pick somebody. Just hit me up on Instagram and say you did that with a thumbs up. And last up, we gotta the ice. Oh, you didn't do that. You didn't do that. Okay. That's embarrassing. Now I'm gonna have to edit. No, I don't want to edit. This is usually what they put jewelry in it, and I'm so embarrassed I just did that. It's just like an actual case. There's nothing in it, which is fine. That's fine. I think I just saw that they sell those on their website as well. 3 for $100. No, there's nothing in it. I've always found that so awkward when like you give a gift to someone, like we'll use this box as a gift, and like they've already opened up everything, and I'm also seeing there's a sticker in here right now. Thank you for that. I'll put that on my computer or something. That's very cool, actually. That's a cool sticker. But when you give somebody a gift and like you know they're done like with all their gifts, but they keep reaching down and it's like, oh man, there's nothing else in there. I'm so sorry. I feel like that's what I just did with this. I'm also not gonna lie. It's my birthday, so I'm quite HIGH right now. I'm having a great time, just doing me today. Anyway, there's a quick surprise unboxing from Icebox. I couldn't be more thankful. They didn't have to do this at all, and I'm very happy with this. This cleaning cloth, honestly, and the lanyard I'm most happy with. I really need one of these, and the fact that it says Icebox is gonna look super cool in my jewelry chest that I have. And cool, man. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Still light unboxing, but I'm very stoked about this. And you know, honestly, I could do without some of these things. I think I'll give a few of these things away for sure, for you guys, because it's my birthday. And if I'm receiving, I like to give because I don't like to receive. I like to buy myself things, and I don't like to get it from other people because I feel bad. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Have a good one. We'll be back another day.